Close your eyes and let your eardrums surrender. Can you smell the stench of scorching coal mingling with clouds of vaporized grease? Can you feel the ground shuddering under the thumping compression of ultra-heavy cast iron blocks? Welcome to the History Engine testbed. Forget those plastic-shrouded modern engines and their high-pitched screams. Today we venture into the Woolpit Steam Rally, embedding ourselves among the world's most stubborn vintage blocks. From brutal steam engines and field-proven military rigs to the unrelenting power of tracked crawlers. Breathe deep, let your guard down, and let your ears absorb the raw, primordial frequencies of metallurgical mastery. At the epicenter of this proving ground lies the heavy haulage titans of the last century, steam traction engines. Behold the amusements on tour showman's engines, flaunting their vibrant red wooden wheels alongside the brooding cast iron masses of the Roby Mark. These were cast to tear through steep hills with massive payloads. Their thick cylinder walls and centrifugal flywheels churn at a low RPM, yet they harbor a savage torque profile capable of snapping axles. The rhythmic clatter of the drive chains emits a low-frequency hum that utterly numbs the nerves. If you crave violent mechanical pressure and deep acoustic sleep, hit subscribe to the History Engine now. Your support pumps up the pressure for our team. Leaving the steam behind the ground continues to tremble under the sheer resilience of the yellow-clad crawlers. This is the traction test bed, where heavy-duty dozers strip away their civility to reveal raw muscle. Forget rubber tires. These cast steel track chains bite deep into the mud, relentlessly shoving mountains of earth without missing a beat. The friction-induced acoustic waves of metal scraping ground, harmonized with the guttural growl of the diesel blocks, create a powerhouse of white noise. As the blade drops, tons of earth are uprooted. The exhaust rhythm isn't sharp, It's stoic and steely, delivering a sense of absolute stillness to those addicted to the chest-thumping frequencies of a loaded engine. Beyond the plows, the testbed holds legends forged in the heat of battle. This corner serves as a staging area for battle-hardened field vehicles. Observe the Studebaker trucks draped in stoic olive drab, standing beside stripped-down, dust-caked Jeeps. A glance away reveals lightweight dispatch bikes like the James ML and the Royal Enfield Flying Flea in their matte forest green. Once parachuted into the crossfire, they now expose their raw, utilitarian blueprints. Hand-welded steel frames and rough-cast alloy blocks prioritize function over finish. Every mechanical detail is 100% exposed, a final testament to the era of courageous heavy loading. The stationary engine section is pumping out an intoxicating staccato rhythm. Listen to the slap of the centrifugal drive belts on a gasoline-gulping Petter Universal, or the stoic green pumps and grinders spitting smoke. The puff-hiss exhaust of the hit-and-miss governors isn't noise. It's a rhythmic lullaby for the brain. The scent of burnt fuel and grease radiating from cast-iron flywheels carries a signature pungent aroma. Standing out is the Allen motor scythe, its razor-sharp blades showcasing the pinnacle of British agricultural machining. Its exposed connecting rods strike with brutal precision, converting centrifugal rotation into the unstoppable linear force of industrial-grade endurance. Closing the books on this wool pit steam load test, we witness the eternal fatigue resistance of steel and iron. As the flywheels lose their momentum, the hiss of escaping pressure and the deep thumping of the stationary blocks fade into the stillness of the workshop. Yet the radiant heat and the thick scent of heavy grease still cling to the air. These engines may be rusted and mud-splattered, but they possess a grit that modern circuit boards could never replicate. Every mechanical stroke was laid bare, 100% exposure that numbs the senses and kills exhaustion. Thank you for rooting yourselves in the workshop today. Drop a comment and we'll see you at the next heavy load session.